Check it out, everyone. Let's hold the paper airplane right here and make a kick throw. Wow.
Hello everyone, welcome to TriKdanG channel, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a new awesome paper airplane. This paper airplane is my newest design and I hope that you guys will enjoy making the plane along with me. To make the paper airplane, you will need a piece of your letter size paper. Now let's fold the paper in half. Press down the paper to create the center crease. Unfold the paper. Flatten it down again. Start from the upper edge. Fold it to the other edge. Now press down the paper to create the crease. Make sure that all edges are lined up. Now let's press down the paper and start from the upper edge. Fold it to the other side. Press down to create a diagonal crease. Now I will turn the paper this way and flatten it down. Start from the upper edge again. For straight down, use all the creases that you just make as a preference and fold it down now. When you fold out, fold slowly and make sure that all edges are lined up and press down the paper to create the crease. Now unfold the paper. Flatten the crease down. Flip it over. Use the crease that you just made. Fold the creases to the center crease and start from the upper part. Push it down. Now you have a house shape. Press down the paper. Fold slowly. Adjust the paper as you have to. Press down the paper. Adjust the paper. And fold this upper layer up. And repeat the same fold for the opposite side. I will fix this side first. Now for this side, fold straight up. And press down the paper to create the crease. Now for this upper layer to the other side and start from the edge first to the center crease. Press down the paper to create a new crease. Now unfold the paper and start from the below edge, fold straight up and insert it into the pocket. Estimate about 1/4 of an inch. I will adjust it. This is a difficult step, so just adjust it and estimate about 1/4 of an inch at the edge of the wings. And fold straight to the center crease. Now you finish a side of the wing. Now do the same step for the other side. Start from the edge, fold to the center crease, press down. Press this down again and unfold. Repeat the same fold. Start from the below edge, fold straight up and insert the corner into the pocket. Estimate about 1/4 of an inch for this side. Insert it in. Press the paper again. Start from the edge, fold straight to the center crease and fold the upper part down. Now we need to start from this side to create the wings of the plane. So fold this side out. I will just pull it out, but I will not press it down for now. Now open this part of the paper, estimate a straight line. Imagine that you have a straight line from the corner and fold straight down. Now you finish the front. And the point here is about 1/2 inch. Repeat the same fold for the opposite side. I'll just fold the paper in half so that I can fold the other sides of the wing easier. Now you have both sides fold straight out. You just finished the second wing. Just make sure that all edges are lined up. Now I'm going to press down the paper and I'm going to create a cannon of the plane. So start from this point, this upper layer, for straight down. Repeat the same fold for the opposite side. Open this upper layer and press it down. Start from this edge for straight to the center crease. When you fold it down, the paper will pop up. You can see the pop up part. This is where I'm going to create a cannon. Yes, press it down. Now you finish the first one. Repeat the same fold for the other side. Start from the edge first to the center crease, and the paper will pop out, and you can adjust it to create the second cannon. Now press down the paper. This is almost done, so be patient. Fix the paper. Now start from the center of the plane, where you feel it's the center of the plane, where the intersection of the two cannons. Press down the paper to create the body of the plane. Press it down. Press it down. Do not press too much, okay? You need to adjust it first. Once you finish this side, we're going to do the other side, and the distance here is about 1 inch. Now do the next side. Curve the paper slowly and press it down. Now you finish both sides of the wing. This looks perfect. Press down the paper so that all creases are lined up and all edges lined up too. Now let's do this cannon. I'll fold this cannon up. Make sure that both sides are even. Once you finish one side, repeat the same fold for the other side. I need to open the paper a little bit to make the pointy head point up. Curve the paper and then press it down. This is a little bit difficult. Be patient and you'll be able to make it. So now I can press the paper down. Once I finish this side, I'm going to repeat the same fold for the other side. Just open the paper, press it down, and now you finish the second cannon. Adjust the paper as you need to. This is almost done. Just adjust it. Now I'll put the paper down and I'll make the first wing. So I fold this part of the paper up. I just curve it up and then I press it down to create a wing. Once I finish one wing, I'm going to repeat the same fold to create the second wing. Now I can press this up, the second side, so press this up to create the second wing. Now I can adjust the body. And now I'm going to create the first stabilizer. This is a central stabilizer. I just press this up, put up a little bit, and this looks really great already. And I create a second stabilizer, just like the Spirit Dragon, and the third stabilizer. Now I have 3 stabilizers. Just curve it and fold up. Now we have 3 stabilizers. You can see 3 stabilizers. And the plane is about to finish. Just a few more steps, you finish the paper airplane. But before I show you the last step, I will adjust the paper first. This is a difficult paper airplane, so be patient. You are almost done. I adjust the wing stabilizers, and now this is time to create the elevators. So at the end of the wing, I'll just foot up a little bit like this to create the stabilizers and elevators. This will help stabilize the plane and this will help elevate the plane when it's flying. So foot up and then press it down. Don't fold too much. And here we go. This is the new paper airplane. I hope that you guys will enjoy making this paper airplane. Don't forget to like the video, share the tutorial with your friends, and subscribe